Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back the morning after last night's investigation, and I've come to all this at the start of the entrance. Isn't that crazy? Complete and utter madness. So I brought you all back to give your perspective on how things change in hours from the day to the night, and from the night to the day. So let's check it out. So I'm starting where I did last night. It's after 9 a.m. this morning. Just heard something. Not sure what it is. Something over there. There is a motorway, I would say about a mile from here. You may be able to hear it. It's that direction somewhere. It's freezing today again. It is slightly more windier. So let's check out what's changed from last night. That wasn't here last night. That's still laying there. The other staff trident that was leaning against the tree is gone, and this has been replaced by this. Now, don't fall for, oh, Sasquatch break all sticks, because they don't. They also used sawed sticks. They'll use anything that's in the forest. They'll use anything they can get their hands on. Tape, string. They'll tie things like a human. So don't let that fool you either, because I've had that loads of times. I have it on camera, also on video, if you want to check it out on the channel. There's more interesting stuff. Class that as an X, maybe. Who knows? Right, so we're going to take the same journey we did as the last time, so we have, and see what happens. Oh. Check this out. And that's a trident, and this has been put on. This wasn't here. Wasn't here. I have to look in the video again, but I don't think that was here. It's a lot more windier today than it was last night. So we're coming up now to the structures. We have random stuff here as well. There's an axe, there's another axe, got a trident laner here. Not here the last time. This is all disabled. Could have stayed last night. Oh, another axe, trident. That log's been moved. Oh my goodness, this has all been disabled. There's only that. No, that log's gone over there. Is this new? Like, this is not being done by kids, guys. You have to accept this. You have to accept what I'm showing you is not being done by a human. This is not being done by a human. Let's get a better perspective of this. Can't find those. Yeah, the logs are over there actually. Right. Look. Starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to speed this up a bit. What happened to this? This tree, this branch has been wrapped around this. Let me see if I can go on the other side. Alright, there we go. That's been bent right around that tree. Are kids doing this? Let me just check something. I haven't been down here. Yeah, look at this. That's a snap, that's a twist. And look at this being sat on this. I'm not going to go any further. I need to do the rest of these because it's raining and I don't want to be getting wet. What else did we check? This is gone, like, remember this? Remember the logs? This is gone. This structure has only got an energy leaner in through the middle. That has been gone, remember those? Right, that's gone. This is gone. Look. And they've been stacked here. Check that. That's all in there now. So you have, remember the circle here. Now remember this. Oh. Remember this? This has changed also. Like there was 3 or 4 here. There's only 1. They've been moved. Remember now. Look at my my night video. You'll understand what I'm trying to say here. Now this is new. Look, this is new. This is new, completely new. This wasn't here last night. Okay? This was definitely not here last night. Oh, these. See? Remember the big logs? Well, look, this was not here last night. I can assure you, you look at the video and you'll see. Look. This was not here. I just heard something over there. Not sure what it was. Right, so look at this. This was not here. You can clearly see this last night was not here. Look, this has been built on a log. This is new. So I'm trying to prove and show people that something is doing this. Well, I know what's doing this, but it's obviously Sasquatch, but that's definitely new. Check it out. There you go. So it was a good bet coming here the next morning early. Right, I want to just show you this during the day. Let's see. This is engineered. So something fell. Don't know what it was, if it was the wind or something else, I don't know. It is windy, so take that into consideration. This here is engineered completely. Just want to show you that now during the day. Oh, I thought I seen movement over there. Can't go any further. Can't zoom in anymore. What's that? Hold on a second. No, that's part of the tree. So this one here, this is engineered, and that's an axe. That goes through there. Yeah, definitely that's not nature. For sure. Check this out. This is quite odd here. Trident there. It's a trident coming down and then sticks going through there. Don't know. Oh look, yeah. Right, so this one here, look the way it's going through. It's going through underneath. This has been set on top. And the other ones are coming across there. Yeah, that's engineered, I think. 85% sure that's engineered. They done it, engineered, they done it. Okay. Well, it was worthwhile coming back today for sure. It's definitely, things have changed and things have been removed. Look how quick they do things. It's quite amazing. You know, they continue to amaze me. There's a knock. I don't know what direction it came from. Funny enough, I've gotten knocks in here. Look at that tree bend. I didn't come here as far last night. Another knock. I didn't come as far last night to see that. So, not there. Right there is a tree bend that's been pinned down. That's engineered completely 100%. Right, I think like most of the structures are gone, and one has been erected, and one has been changed. Everything's been taken down, and that one, so that has been changed. There's only one log across that, and that is new. That structure is new. It wasn't there last night. I'm actually quite glad that I came back today. What's this? Let's see if I can get a better view. What is this? That is quite strange. I don't think that has anything to do with sheep. Interesting. Tell me what you think of this, guys. Has a Sasquatch caught itself on one of the twigs? I'm not sure. I don't have any way of testing this or giving it to anybody, so I'm just gonna leave it on the ground. That is strange. Have they left me this as a gift? I don't know. I've had this for the second time now. I found this for the second time, and actually it was the same place, so I don't know. Let's just set it down. The rain has subsided. There's a liner. That's a liner. Remember last night there was a lot of stuff on this. It was like potted and with all their leaves and stuff. It's now bare. It's just all see-through. I'm not sure what's happening with that, but that's been changed, and that one's gone because remember the logs were here, and there was, you see this here, this trident. Oh, that's been stuck in. Look. That's been stuck in. I can't get that out. Oh, there, see? That's been stuck in. That trident was leaning against all this pile of stuff that's completely gone. So I'll put it back in again. All 1, 2, 3, there was 4 logs there, and that was all structure with a trident that was leaning against it with a stick, and that's gone. Right, okay. Look at the night video, guys, you'll understand what I'm saying. I can remember this clearly. These here have all been piled here. I need to look back at the video, but I think another knock over here. Let's just stand and listen for a minute and see what we can hear. quite windy too. I'm going to leave it there. I just wanted to come back and double check and to prove to people how things can change with the unseen world so quickly. And it's not kids that's doing this. Evidently, I've shown you this. It wasn't even here last night. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thanks for joining me. See you all in the next video. Over and out.